Welcome to another session for travel experience and travel agents. I'm Sarosh, head trainer at Tourism School. Today I'll show you that technically there is no difference in building a PNR in any GDS. PNR stands for Passenger Name Record. A basic PNR in any GDS requires just 5 mandatory elements which are known as print. P stands for phone number, R stands for reference, I stands for itinerary, N stands for name of the passengers, and T stands for ticketing element. If you have these 5 mandatory elements, you can build a PNR in any GDS. Today, I'm showing you the steps and commands to build a PNR in GDS Galileo as well as GDS Amadeus. To display availability in Amadeus, we use command AN followed by the date and then the city pair. And in Amadeus, instead of AN, we use A followed by date and the city pair. To sell a seat in Amadeus, we use command SS, which means short sell, followed by number of seats you wish, followed by class and the line number in which you wish to sell seats. And in Galileo, instead of SS, we use N. Rest of the things remain same. 2 seats in Y class and line number 3. In name element, as we have sold 2 seats, so we need to insert 2 names. In Amadeus, the entry starts with NM1, followed by surname, the first name, and the salutation. By default, this entry is being taken for an adult. Suppose the second passenger traveling is a child. The procedure again remains the same, NM1, followed by the surname, then the first name, then the salutation. As we're adding a child, so it would be master for a boy, and in the bracket we write the tag of a child. In Galileo, the entry starts with N dot surname, first name. By default, it's being taken as an entry for adult, and procedure is same again for a child, which is N dot surname, first name, salutation. Here the entry becomes a bit different. We type star PC07, where 07 is the age of the child. For adding phone number in Amadeus, we use entry AP followed by the travel agency detail and minus A. Minus A means this is the contact detail of the travel agency. You may even write the mobile number as well or the landline number as well. If you wish to add contact detail of the passenger, then we use entry AP followed by the number of the passenger, minus B, which means that this is the business contact number, minus M, which means it's a mobile number, and minus H, which means it's a home contact number. And the similar entry in Galileo would be done as P dot T star. T star means you're going to add contact detail of the travel agency. So you can type the similar entry using this command in Galileo. And if you wish to type the number of the passenger, then we use this command, which is H star. H stands for home contact, B stands for the business contact, as I just mentioned, and the number. If you wish to add email ID, to add email ID in Amadeus, we use command APE minus the contact email ID of the passenger. And in Galileo, the same procedure says P dot E star and the email ID of the passenger. In Amadeus, if you don't wish to add time limit, then we use entry TK OK. And if you wish to add time limit, which means reminder, then we use command TKTL followed by the date for which you want to add time limit for. And in Galileo, similar entry would be done by T dot T star, which means you don't wish to add time limit. And if you wish to add time limit, then the entry would be T dot T star AU and then the date. For adding reference element in Amadeus, we use RF command followed by free flow text. It can be any text as it is a free flow, but it's recommended to type name of the person who is creating this PNR, or You may also mention on whose request you are creating this PNR. And similar entry for Galileo would be r.sarosh. To save the PNR in any of these systems, in Amadeus or in Galileo, the entry would be ER, which means save and retrieve. In Galileo also entry is ER, which means save and retrieve. Terms, terminologies, ticketing concepts, and even the working procedure on GDS remain same irrespective of whichever GDS you are using. The only difference is in the codes and commands inserted to get the desired output. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.